Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make realistic shadow effect like a pro. Press on the right layer, then the small button and choose drop shadow. We need to move some settings to have good effect. It is depending on your subject. Press this eye button and choose Convert Layer. Do the same you see, press the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now you have to go Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. And again Filter, Blur, but this time choose Gaussian Blur. Make new layer, take brush tool and choose dark color for your shadow. Choose Multiply Effect and reduce opacity. Make new layer and do the same thing. Make some shadows to have more realistic view. Again make new layer and this time take white color and draw light on it. Reduce opacity and choose soft light. Repeat the same thing to have dark effect. Choose this button to make clipping mask. Choose brush tool and black color to delete unwanted parts. And the last thing we have to do, make clipping mask and delete shadow that we don't want to see in background.